I'm here at Accademia del Caffé Espresso, which is an event space and somewhat of a, I guess, coffee museum that is high above Florence, Italy in the Tuscan Hills. This is actually the former facility of La Marzocco. They specialize in, I would say, probably espresso machines for the specialty coffee industry. If you've ever wanted to travel to Florence, Italy to come to the La Marzocco factory, this is an incredible place to come and learn about the culture of coffee in Italy and also learn about the manufacturing process and kind of the history that takes you through, I guess, maybe one of the most ubiquitous machines in specialty coffee. We're here for an event. It's with the Specialty Coffee Association and the Coffee Technicians Guild. Let's go on inside and take a look and see what Accademia del Caffé is all about. All right, so that completes the first part of the museum space of La Marzocco. There's a couple of other spots that we can go check out, which is more of the event space. So that's actually where a lot of the action is going on right now. So we're gonna bump over there and see what we can learn from the Specialty Coffee Association and the Coffee Technicians Guild. Let's go check it out.
Buongiorno, buenos dias, bonjour, calamera. To be here at the Accademia in Florence is just a magical, wonderful experience. You all must have had a quick look now, and we're really truly blessed to have the opportunity to be here. Come on, let's go.
All right, now after getting the introductions out of the way, it's time to head off to our first class. I think we're going to head over to the super automatic espresso machine room so that we can see what the buzz is all about. It seems like super automatic machines are really starting to find themselves in more and more cafes. I'm not necessarily sure if that's because of labor shortages or because super automatic machines are starting to become more reliable and less clunky. Whatever the case may be, we're definitely seeing some improvements in the technology in these things, and I'm really excited to see what's to come. Moving over to La Marzocco Home Collection, I was able to get my hands on the new La Marzocco Micra, and I was really quite impressed with the form factor they pulled off here. Then we headed downstairs to the basement of Accademia del Caffé Espresso, where we're able to see the area where a gentleman from La Marzocco does some refurbishments down here, and also we were able to take a look at the off-the-wall Bambi area where they do custom machines and bespoke design. Here, one of the fabricators from La Marzocco is showing us how the portafilter handles are made on a lathe that was actually an original piece of equipment from the factory from the 1960s. And what Coffee Technician Guild Summit wouldn't be complete without a lecture about water. Water is absolutely the most important aspect of not just your coffee, but your coffee equipment. So we need to pay super close attention to that. Second most important is your installation. Getting the installation right on your espresso machine from the beginning is going to help you out with so many problems down the road. Not only is the electrical super important, but also the placement of the machine for your workflow and ergonomics, as well as the plumbing and drains. Right now, we're able to get our hands on some of the components that go inside espresso machines to get a little bit more of an idea and understanding of how everything works inside. The last few events here at the Coffee Technician Guild Summit were from a few manufacturers demonstrating new coffee brewer technology and some telemetry devices as well.
All right, hey, so we're just finishing up a few days here at Accademia del Caffé Espresso in Florence, Italy. And man, what a privilege it has been to come to this facility, first of all, at the motherland of coffee, and see all this incredible history and equipment, and also to be able to learn from all of the equipment manufacturers and the sponsors and everybody else that was here. And then I have to obviously thank Accademia del Caffé Espresso for all of their hospitality. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more information.
We're signing off from Accademia del Caffè Espresso. Coffee Tech Guild 2022 is in the books. This is the dream team signing off. Thank you so much for attending.
Bye bye. Ciao, 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 ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye bye.